In this video, I will show you how to set Avast Secure Browser as your default browser on an Android phone. This is useful if you want to make Avast Secure Browser the primary app for opening web links and enjoy its privacy and security features. Let's get started. Open Avast Secure Browser on your Android phone. Tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to open the full settings page. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Set as Default Browser. Then turn on it. Choose Avast Secure Browser from the list of available browsers. Finally, tap Set as Default to confirm your selection. Now, Avast Secure Browser is set as your default browser on Android. This ensures all your links open securely with Avast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.